This week, the Garage Gang heads to SEMA in Las Vegas to check out all that's new in automotive. You don't want to miss this. Coming up next on Motorhead Garage, presented by Topcoat.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by Topcoat, and we are at SEMA. Dave, we're hanging with some of the biggest name builders in the industry, biggest manufacturers, and everybody in between, showcasing the automotive industry at its best. Not to mention 250,000 of the coolest people on the planet.
John, a lot of them are here to get some business done. A lot of them are here to see what's new in the industry, but we know that every one of them is here also for the eye candy. If you love hitting the muddy trails, you are going to love Supreme Suspensions. Sean, what can you do for our friends who love to off-road?
So we have upper and lower control arms, we have full lift kits front and rear, we have coil spacers, strut spacers, track bars, rear diff drops, rear blocks, add-a-leafs, and a little bit of everything in between.
And when you're talking suspension and lift kits especially, geometry is so important.
Oh, absolutely. And that's one of the reasons why we actually just came out for SEMA 2019 is our brand new F-150 upper control arms for the 04 to 19 models. And this does allow for up to 4 inches of lift to keep proper suspension geometry, and which will overall increase the characteristics of your vehicle.
And especially the drivability.
Oh, absolutely, 100%. And that's what we really have been trying to focus on, is just the overall quality and drivability to keep any of your lifts feeling like factory.
Now you've got the truck business surrounded, but you guys have made a foray into something new. What are you guys working on?
So right now, we're actually focusing on the ATV and UTV market. A lot of guys who own trucks typically also own ATVs and UTVs. The problem is that a lot of people who drive these things tend to really beat them up. And one of the reasons why we got into it is just because parts would fail on us. And that's when we were like, hey, why don't we make parts that don't fail?
And it's as simple as that. They make quality parts that are going to last. They are Supreme Suspensions. You can check them out on their website. Still, lots more Motorhead Garage presented by Topcoat when we come back from the SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada.